All right, freshmen, we're going to go over how to make a Google Drive folder. So you go into Drive, you get there by hitting the waffle on the top, and you go to Drive. Once you hit Drive, it'll take you to this screen. Then I want you to hit New, Folder. And then I want you to name it Freshman. Spell it right. 2020. And then whatever class you are in. Okay, then hit Create. Now, it made a folder like this. Now, if you want to make it stand out for yourself, you can change the color by clicking on it. Then go to Change Color and make it whatever color you want. Next step I want you to do is open it up. After you open it up, I want you to go to this drop-down arrow here, click on it. Then I want you to go to Share. You are here. Here's where you're going to share with me, your teacher. So I can go in and see what you're doing, and I can grade your stuff. So you're going to type in Kimberly.Peterson@rusd.org. If you don't know how to spell my name, it's also on Google Classroom. It's on your schedule. Then you're going to click Done. Then once you got this going, now you have a folder for all your work for me, and I'll be able to find it for you to grade it. So then you're going to hit New. Then you're going to hit Google Doc and Blank Doc. So this is going to be where your first assignment is. So you are going to put in News Log. And then click off. And you don't have to share it again with me because you've already shared it with me. And that's how you make a Google Drive folder, and then how you make a Google Doc within that folder.